Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Radisson Rewards account to earn and redeem points at Radisson hotels worldwide, follow these easy steps for successful verification. Step 1. Visit the Radisson Hotels website or download the Radisson Hotels app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Click on Join Now or sign up to create a new Radisson Rewards account. Step 3. Enter your personal information including your name, email address, country, and preferred language. Create a password for your account. Step 4. After completing the registration form, Radisson will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox. Step 5. Open the verification email from Radisson Rewards. The subject line typically reads, "Verify your Radisson Rewards account" or "Welcome to Radisson Rewards." Step 6. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you to the Radisson website and automatically verify your email address. Step 7. Log into your Radisson Rewards account using your verified credentials. Step 8. Complete your profile by adding additional information such as your address, phone number, and travel preferences. Step 9. For enhanced account security, enable two-factor authentication if available in your account settings. Step 10. Start earning points by booking stays at Radisson properties or through partner services. Your account is now verified and ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.